This video is going to show you how to quickly and easily move files from your Mac to an external storage device like a USB, hard drive, and similar. Before we start with the video, if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing for more helpful tutorial videos like this one. The first step is to connect your external storage device, and in my case, I have a USB stick and I want to move my files to that. But you can connect your external hard drive or whatever you're going to use, and once you connect it, it should appear on your desktop right away. If it doesn't, then it's probably in the Finder app, so let's open it, and it will appear at the left side of the screen under the locations. But if you don't see it yet, it's maybe hidden. So we will have to tweak a couple of things in Finder. Our job is to navigate over to the top left where it says Finder, and then select the Settings option. After that, go to the Sidebar section and make sure that the external disks are selected. After that, go to this General section and also enable the external disks on this page. After this, close the Finder settings and reconnect your USB or your external drive. It should appear in the Finder under the locations. And you can see that my USB is called Marshall028. I can click on the drive to open it and view what files I have, what documents, photos, or videos are on it. But let's move more files from my Mac. I suggest putting all of your files in one folder. Whether those are photos, videos, or other documents, it really doesn't matter. Put them all in one single folder, like I've put these App Tutor videos here, then right-click on that folder, select Copy, and after that, open your external disk and then paste that folder. Depending on the size of your files, they can transfer in a couple of seconds or a couple of minutes or hours, but after the folder is pasted, it will be moved to your external drive from your Mac. Thank you so much for watching this video, everyone, and I will see you in the next video.